So in this CapCut tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text to a video here inside of CapCut. So I actually do have just a stock footage for you guys through CapCut. So as you can tell, it just says Happy New Year. It plays this video out pretty simple. Now, if you want to add text to this, it's super simple as well. Go down to the bottom bar here where it says text between audio and overlay. Press on text right here, then go to where it says add text right here, bottom left. So if I just want to type in the word text, for example, I'll do that. I will then press return, I will then press the check mark right here. Now, if you want to make it larger, you can make it larger. And if I want to move it to the top left, I can move it to the top left. I'll just press on OK there. And if you want to change the text to maybe the start, or you can change the text, throughout the end, whatever you want to do. You can play around with it this way so that now if you were to play the video, no text, then the text is now added. And that is pretty much how to add text to a video here inside of CapCut. I hope this video helps.